So how do you download the Google Drive photo onto the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So most likely you have the Google Drive application installed on your iPhone. If you do not, it's better than the web version, so I would recommend you to do that, right? And then just go to your account, locate the photo that you want to download, right? And then what you need to do is to click on the three dots next to it. Obviously, if it's more photos, you can select them by holding down on it and selecting multiple, but just tap on the three dots next to it. And you have the ability to make it available offline, which is like downloading it, but still within the Google Drive app. So what you most likely want is instead to save it to your Photos app. And you do that by clicking on the download button. It will save it to the photos like that. And you can just now go back to your Photos application and the photo will appear right away in your gallery as if you just took it with your camera, right? So that's how you can download the photo from the Google Drive directly to the iPhone. As I said, you can download multiple at the same time, right? Or even share it to like a different place or different app, but that's essentially how it works. So as usual with my videos, if you have any questions, leave them below. It's possible that me or someone else might have the answer for you, right? But stay tuned for more tutorials and videos like this one by subscribing below, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.